Look, give me 90 seconds. I'll make you dangerously good at AI prompting. I mean, stop treating it like a magic 8-ball, all right? Here's the blueprint. First up, the RC3 Framework. You see, every prompt needs these 4 pillars. Or honestly, it's garbage. 1, role. Who is it? Tell it. Act as a ruthless editor. 2, context. What's the situation? We are fixing a boring landing page. 3, command. What is the task? Rewrite the headline to be punchy. And 4, constraints. What are the rules? No buzzwords, under 10 words. Active voice only. Now, here's the 1% move, the digital ID. Stop repeating your bio every single time. Seriously, just create one text file with your brand voice, your products, your writing style. Upload it before every chat. Now, the AI isn't guessing who you are, it's cloning you. Next, you gotta stop the hallucinations. Use chain of thought. Don't just ask for the result. Command the AI to think step by step. Critique your own first draft, then give me the final answer. You see, this forces the AI to use more computing power on logic before it spits out text. Finally, watch out for the average trap. Look, AI is designed to predict the most likely next word. That means it defaults to average. It knows the definition of heartbreak, but it's never lost sleep. Your job is to inject the subtext. Don't just ask for a story. Give it the conflict, the irony, the pain. AI builds the skeleton. But you have to provide the pulse. That is how you become dangerous.